For example, now you are thinking about your scooty and bike, and when you will get this, so you will think about your car and all. So
Yes,
our,
yes.
we cannot be satisfied. So, and I think we should not be because when you will satisfy with everything, so you will not try to achieve something more, right?
Yes, 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 yes. You are right. And if we have a new thing, so just we can learn another thing also for better for life.
So everything is going well, and today is my week off, so I'm free to have this conversation. And yeah, today is my off, so things are going very lately. I woke up late and all, so yeah, and I have a plan in evening to go out. Yeah, that's
Okay.
it.
And I will know about something. Can you tell me about something little bit your introduction? So I will know about very well.
Yeah, why not? So my name is Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. If I'll talk about my education, so I have done engineering in IT branch, and currently I'm a working professional in one of the software company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube for last 1.5 years. If I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, so my turn now. I will give my introduction. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so myself, my name is Sunil, and I'm from Chhattisgarh, and I have done my graduation. And if you are talk about my hobbies, so I love to travel and learn new things. And I have also YouTube channel like name is Talk with Sunil, and that is all about me.
Oh, that's nice. We are in the same page. Okay, so when did you started your channel?
Actually, I have been start 8 month ago, 8 9 months ago. I thought.
8 to 9 months ago. Okay. So how's it going on?
Yeah, everything is going on goods, and I have 80 80 to 100 subscriber plus. I have.
Okay, so channel has
Yes.
monetized or not?
Not monetize is not.
Not yet. Okay. Yeah, it will take time and soon you will get.
Thank you so much. Okay. So, are you working in software field, right?
Yes.
Okay. And private limited company.
Yeah, it's a private company and USA based.
Okay, USA based. Work from you are working work from home and just like are you going office?
So these days I'm working from home because during
Okay.
the COVID only I got this opportunity and now it is
Okay.
same.
So, what type are you working? Can you something little bit give me?
What kind of work I'm doing?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so I'm a security engineer here. I'm working in cyber security domain. So it is all related to security stuff. How we can, secure our identities and digital things,
Yes.
network from the cyber attack. So these are the things I'm doing.
Okay, that's very good. So, when did you learn English?
Okay, so learning English, I would say that I was speaking in my workplace when I started my job. From that time, I was speaking, but not that much of fluent and confident. So one day, I decided I should work on my communication skills because it is necessary for my career as well. So yeah, you can say that 1 year ago, I decided to speak with different people and doing some other stuff like listening and all. So you can say for last 1 year I'm doing this kind of practice and now I have improved little bit.
Not little bit, it's too much. You can speak very well.
Yeah, still we have to go, very far because now I can consider myself as an intermediate, but still we have to become expert in this language so that we can say like yes, I'm a fluent speaker in this language.
Okay. So, do you know like three types in English, like American English, British English, and Indian English, English like accent like this. So, which part of do you like? Indian and British and Americans accent.
If I would say that liking part, so I like American accent because it is not that much of complicated and yeah, smoothly I can say, and I can understand them properly because my manager is also from USA, so that's why. But when I talk about UK part, so it looks like very difficult for me. I don't know why, but whenever I listen their accent, so it looks like oh my god, I need to be very very careful. Then only I can understand them properly. Otherwise, no. If I skip any of the single sentence or words, I'm gonna lost.
Yeah, absolutely. Because we are Indian, so they have like a pronunciation is like different type. So we should listen carefully, then we can understand. Actually, this happened with me also. I have connected with other country person, just like he's from America,
Mhm.
US. So I can something I can understand, but something I cannot understand. So I must listen carefully, then I can understand.
Yes, exactly. But in Indian accent, if you are listening passively, also then you can understand them like easily. But for UK accent, you need to be very careful. Or
Yes,
maybe
yes.
if you are very habitual of listening this kind of accent, then it would be easy for you. But in initially, and if you are not speaking on the regular, sorry, listening a lot, then it might be difficult for you.
Yes, yes, absolutely. But like Indian people are is speaking is very like slow and just like mouth is pressed like this.
Yes, we speak whole sentence.
All
We
sentence.
are not speaking in the concise form.
One
We
sentence.
are
Yes, yes, sir.
we are just speaking whole sentence. I will say like I will. So they are just speaking very concisely because it's their mother tongue. Even we do the same thing in our Hindi language or in our mother tongue. We skip so many words and so many things just to concise our sentence. So they do the same in English also, but we are not doing the same.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, yes. Right. So when did you start your YouTube journey?
It's about to complete 2 years. Maybe in
Okay.
August it will complete 2 years.
So what's going on there?
Yeah, nowadays it is going well. I can say. Yeah, I'm consistent over there these days. So now it is going well, and my channel has also monetized. So I'm happy.
Okay. Okay, actually I have seen your YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yes, I have seen. And
Mm-hmm.
just I have seen and just like you have like will be 200 subscribe I think. You will have be
2K plus.
coming soon. Yes, yes. Right. So do you like travels?
Yes, yes. I love traveling.
So why should I not make like a blog video? Like in you are blogging and just speak English language so people can watch.
Mm-hmm, yes,
It's
now I
better.
have decided to do this thing as well. But because of lack of time, I'm not going anywhere like very frequently. But yeah, whenever I'll go, so I have a plan to shoot vlog as well. And yeah, this coming weekend only I'm going to Somnath. If I'll get chance to shoot vlog, so I'll do.
Because now everyone is doing this type content video. Just like everyone is want to learn English, so they are creating video, conversation video. So it's too much video on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
Have so
Yes, yes.
everyone is not want to
Yesterday,
watch.
yesterday only I got one videos and that was 2 years back, like old video of someone. So I saw like views was very high on that particular video, and that was not that much of good as compared to even my videos, to be honest. But when I saw the views, like it was like 230K plus, so I was very shocked. I just thought maybe 2 years back it was not that much of crowd in that kind of content. So that's why. But now competition is very high. Lot of people are doing the same thing. So
Same thing.
that's why
Yes.
yeah. So why people will only focus on your particular videos. But yeah, I'm not able to do some other kind of stuff because of lack of time, because I'm working also, and you already know that on YouTube also it takes a lot of time to edit videos and upload. So like it's very time consuming, right?
Yes. Yes. Right. Yes.
So that's why. But yeah, if I'll get chance to do something creative, so I'll do.
Then you should make blog video. Then people can watch. And
Yeah.
they can learn new things, new vocabulary, and just they want a new place. See.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, you're right. Even we can learn so many things because it's like our daily conversation. Like if you are shooting your blog, so maybe you are saying only daily sentence, daily routine. So it will boost my vocabulary and my sentence structure as well. So yeah.
Okay.
So how did
But
you learn English? And
what
what
did
is
you
the
say?
reason behind learning this language?
The reason is actually I want to love talk with people. So actually, I love to talk, and just I want to talk with another country people, and I want to learn a new thing. That is why I'm learning English, because learning English is a language. If you know English language, we can connect anywhere around the world.
Hmm.
So that is the reason I am learning English.
Okay. So as you are a YouTuber, so apart from this, you are doing any other work also or not?
Actually, I'm a shopkeeper. My father have shop, so sometime I spend time, and sometime I have get to time. So for conversation video and upload, and just I'm uploading two type video, just like a helping purpose video. I have already just like human helpline number. Do you know human helpline number?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to just need help, so just if you want to call a helpline number, so how the process and what is the process? This type video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yes, two type women helpline number, children helpline number, and emergency helpline number. It's about do you know? I think who
Mm-hmm.
know. So this
Okay.
type video I have uploaded on my YouTube channel.
That is good because it will help a lot of people, especially those who are not aware about this thing.
Yeah, and then for my helpline number also they have just I have connected with too many times. They are also feeling very good. Oh, you are a very good person. Just a helpline number people they are saying, wow, it's very nice conversation with you, and I will help you lots of things. When I was know about something like farming, anything things, so I was connected helpline numbers.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes. And actually, in I have seen many peoples in my village people. They don't want to call helpline number. They are worried about anything happen wrong with me. So that is why I have generated.
Okay.
And yes, and someone is they want to see my video, and someone is inspired with me. Just like why should I not call helpline number? So they are also can help in helpline numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, get help.
That is good because so many people are afraid of like they are literally not aware about this thing, or maybe they are scared a lot, like using this kind of numbers also.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So it would be good for them that they can get this kind of information prior. So it would be good.
And I'm a member of UNICEF. Do you heard about UNICEF?
UNICEF. Yes, I have
Yes.
heard, but not exactly. Like I can recall. Okay, can you elaborate like what it is?
This is like a helping person. They are helping in our society, our country, and we are helping. Just like we are planting tree, we are helping childrens. We are give awareness how to manage our day, and just like we are observe like pollution, how to control pollutions, everything we are doing us.
Oh wow, that's nice. So how we can become member of this if I want to do?
Yeah, you can join. They are not pay anything, and you have also not pay anything. Just you should work without free. And just I am working without free. I'm not. They are not pay me. Just if I get free, so I'm going somewhere and help anything.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Yes,
and I
we
think
should
it's
apply. Yes, we are. We can apply on official website.
okay. Yeah, got it. Yes, we can apply through online and we can work
Member.
anytime that is required.
Yes, yes.
Just yeah, that
And
is
they
good.
are not yes, they are not give pressure. Just if you have time to work, so you can go anywhere. And you if you want to go school, so you can go schools and tell something knowledge with childrens.
Hmm. Yes.
Yes.
I'll get the chance. Definitely, I wanna do because like last weekend only, I went to one temple and there was a group. They are doing the cleanliness, cleaning work at temple, and they are just doing awareness program to just aware other people like we should not spread garbage in here and there. So I went there and yeah, I helped them. So I loved that idea, like yes, how they are making the society clean, and also they are giving message to other people
Message other people, yes.
by their videos and all. So yeah, like if I'll get the chance to do such kind of activities, so I love to do it. Really.
Yeah, absolutely. You can do that. And everyone is think just like I am not, I cannot help, I cannot help. Everyone is thinking, but who can one think I can help? So everyone is inspired for. So I can
Hmm.
also do that. Yes.
Yes, it all depends. For example, you have initiated those works, so other people will see you, so they will also get inspiration from you. Like, yes, I can also do the same thing.
Yes,
And
yes.
ultimately, we are helping our society in such way, so it is good for us.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
So you are doing very great job.
Thank you.
It's
So where
really
do you live exactly? You are from is Madhya Pradesh, right? You studied. So where do you live in which city?
basically I'm from Bihar, but I'm born and brought up in Bhopal,
Okay.
MP. Hmm.
NP. Okay, I know. I know.
Have
So do
you?
you heard about Amarkantak?
Yes, yes, but I never
Okay.
been.
Did you visit? Okay, you didn't visit. Why? What is the reason?
Yeah, it happens
Because
that let me tell you, like in that state where you are living, so we feel like other state will be very good as compared to our state. So that's
yes,
why
yes.
I have visited other state, but not my state. I can say totally. But yeah, I if I'll get chance, so definitely I wanna visit my state as well. But lack of time, sometimes they are not able to do so.
Okay. So did you come in Chhattisgarh?
Not, not yet.
Do you know like city of Bilaspur?
Mm-hmm. Yes, I have heard.
Okay. So how did you know city of Bilaspur? And who did tell you?
Okay, actually, one of my friend is from Chhattisgarh, so he told me about his city, Bilaspur.
Yeah,
And
what she did tell.
Mhm.
Actually, I say that's what did she tells about Bilaspur city.
I forgot actually, but he told me about like why it is famous for, I guess, but I cannot recall it now. So can you tell me?
Yeah, yeah, there is like first of all, railway junction is a very famous. Railway junction is like we can go anywhere or this country in there. Bilaspur junction is very famous, and just like they have like Nyadhyani Justice temple.
Hmm.
Yes, so that is why Bilaspur city is very famous, and there are most businessmen person there have living, and there are like lots of like not lots of, but many things is good in Bilaspur city.
Hmm. And I
Yes,
think
that is
Chhattisgarh
why.
was part of MP before.
Yes, 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 absolutely, yes, yes. Chhattisgarh part of MP, and Chhattisgarh is born like 1 November 2000. 1 November 2000.
But now it is
Chhattisgarh is born.
separated. But now it is not in MP, right?
Yes, 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 right, right.
Mm. Yes. Yeah, I have heard. Okay. So what's your plan for today? Like today's weekend?
Today is my holiday, so I love to watch something like I want to watch cartoon for learning English purpose.
Okay. So don't have any
And
plans to go out?
actually, I don't want to go anywhere today. Like today is is special for me. Just like Sunday. Sundays, every person is a special day, so we should spend our time. And yeah, we should go anywhere just if we want. But just like we should take in home and just talk with our family and spend with time our family.
Yes, you are right.
So what do you want nowadays? Like, what do you want? Because you can speak English very well. So, what do you want in your
I
life?
I if I'll talk about English part, so I still feel that I'm not advanced in this language. So I want to become like because I'm working or surrounded by people who are living in like USA, UK, and all. So their English is quite like very good as compared to me. So sometimes I feel lack of confidence while talking with them, especially with native speakers. So I'm just trying to gain confidence and to be more advanced in this language so that I won't feel any kind of difficulties in future.
But I will give you advise you. Just don't feel like nervous and just don't feel like our confidence. Just like we have more knowledge, so we can consider ourselves. Just if we are thinking I can not do, so we cannot do. But we are thinking I can do, definitely we can do that. So just you can speak very well. But we don't know about ourselves, what we have. Another person is telling, oh my God, do you have many things? So we know about.
Yes, it generally happens when some people say that I'm speaking very well. I don't consider myself, yes, I'm speaking well.
Yeah, everyone is thinking this type of things. Like lots of people are actually, many people they in India, but just like they have like pronunciation is different and native speaker is just like language is same, but pronoun is different. You already know about. So just don't feel anything. You can speak very well.
Yes, yes. Yeah, but still sometimes it happens when someone is very good at English or maybe they are advanced speaker, so I lose my confidence sometimes.
Yeah, but they are from another country, so they have they speak sound is different. That is why you feel, oh my God, my sound is like just like I am not a good speaker. That is why you are thinking your mind. But stop this type thing. Don't think.
Yes, yes, you are right. And yeah, I'm trying and yeah, now I have reduced this problem a lot, I can say. But still somewhere I feel, so maybe it will also remove after some months or some years. Yes.
Just if you want to feeling anything, just like my English is poor, so just you can watch anything like motivation song. So you can definitely you get new things and feel motivated. I can do everything. I'm the best I can do. Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely, you are right. And I think we should be proud of our accomplishment, whatever things you are doing. For example, today I am beginner to intermediate, so I should appreciate this thing. Like yes, I have learned this thing, and yeah, why not? I can learn so many things, and yeah, it will take time, but yeah, I can learn. So we should have this kind of mindset.
Absolutely, we can achieve many things, but we are feeling, oh my God, I am not achieving anything.
Yeah.
Yes, Mukesh Ambani is also rich person, but they all want lots of money.
Mm.
Why they want? They think I am poor, but we are
We are
thinking, oh, Mukesh Ambani is not poor person, but they are thinking, oh, I am poor person. What is the matter? What do you think?
we are human beings. We cannot be satisfied with anything.
Yes,
And
yes.
for example, now you are thinking about your scooty and bike, and when you will get this, so you will think about your car and all. So
Yes, yes.
we cannot be satisfied. So
That is
yes.
right. Yeah, absolutely, you are right. Yes.
And I think we should not be because when you will satisfy with everything, so you will not try to achieve something more, right?
Yes, 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 yes. You are right. And if we have funny things, so just we can learn another thing also for better for life.
Yeah, right.
Yes, yes. If we are in circle, so we are rounding on circle. Huh. But if we want to go somewhere, so we can get some knowledge.
Hmm.
Yes, yes. So we should learn a new thing. Yeah, absolutely. I agree with you.
Okay, I think it's long conversation. Shall we wind up?
Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you
Nice
so
to
much
meet
for
you.
your time. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Okay, bye.